Dr. Rūta Inčiūraitė is a gastrointestinal researcher based in Kaunas, Lithuania. Originally from a small village in northeastern Lithuania, she became the first scientist in her family.
I always was very interested into science, into nature and into biology, and from the very early in my childhood I even got a microscope on Christmas while I was very little, and I have it until now.
Her small steps in research grew up to analyzing epithelial cells from the top and bottom of intestinal crypts. It uncovered unique microRNA patterns that help explain how intestinal epithelial cells respond to inflammation.
Our intention was to better understand the role of microRNAs in ulcerative colitis with cell population resolution. And by profiling these regulators in spatially defined epithelial cell populations and then integrating multiple layers of molecular data, we uncovered regulatory signals linked to disease activity. So if we can regulate the regulators, we can be way ahead of the progress of the disease.
The finding of the new biomarkers could potentially help clinicians to predict the disease, monitor the relapse and development of epithelial-targeted therapies to target the frontline barrier of intestine during the disease.
It's never a one person's work. I was supported by so many people, so many clinical doctors who gave me biopsies, all the biological specimens from the patients. Then I had a lot of bioinformaticians, my supervisors who helped me interpret the data. Yeah, we worked very closely together as a team. That's why I prefer using we than I.
Despite all her modesty, the young researcher plucked up the courage to submit her team's work to the Dr. Bars Award.
I thought that our work was meaningful, linking the fundamental molecular mechanisms with clinical relevance for patients. And at the same time, I'm actually truly grateful for initiatives like this, for acknowledging not only our work, but also our findings. We're adding some knowledge to this already huge general knowledge pool, and one day we can bring some change into the real world with our data.